God, every time I got to open my trunk, I got to do this thing. I need to just buy me a lock here. Let's see. There it is. You know, just need to buy a lock. Well, I went and did it. Bought me a new trunk lock, but how does this all go together? Well, let me kind of show you here. You see this? That's a stick that goes in. You just take it and you put it in just like that. See that? Just like that. And then you install it in the car. Let me show you. All right, so this goes in with that little foot down like this. But before you put all that on there, kit does come with a little gasket. So just slide that on there. Put the little gasket on there, and you can see how it all lines up. Go down in here, stick it through, make sure it engages inside that latch, and then push it through. You can kind of see it comes through all the way, and then get her in there. Now the tricky part's going to be to get this clip, and this clip goes in just like that. The edge comes out. So there's a space back here for your hand. Just like that. We'll take this screwdriver and we'll get that clip in there. There we go. Now it's secure. Now we got it. So let's pull it back out. So we got our keys. Let's see how this works now. In it goes. Look at that. Look at that. Looky there. Looky there. Let's try that again. Nice and locked. We got our key. We need to open the trunk. We stick it in. We turn it. Hot diggity damn dog. I think we got ourselves a winner here, people. Got ourselves a winner. Now, the next thing we got to work about is our glove box, because as you can see, it doesn't stay up. Well, I've had tape on here to kind of keep it together, but I mean, you know, it's kind of nice that it has trays there for your coffee mug. I guess is what the hell that'd be for, but I don't know. But we gotta fix this part here. So this is what a new lock looks like. Kind of comes just like that, and there's a set screw right back there that holds it all into place. Now, it's really simple to do. The catch you see here, see that right there? That's what opens and closes it when you turn it or push the button. See? Look at that thing right there. That's kind of like when my wife comes around and gives me a little kiss. I kind of do this a little bit there. So on the back side of here, there's a little hole for that lock to go through. So all you do is you take this and you simply just put it through that way. It'll come through this way. And you kind of line up where that screw goes. And it's just a little bitty screw there. And you line it up in there. And you get it set. I said you get it set in there. Get you a screwdriver. And you're going to just nut it down. There we go. Now it caught some threads. We'll go ahead and we'll tighten it down. Probably could have used a shorter screwdriver, but all right. Nice and tight on that. Now, let's close it. Done. Oh, shit. It's closed. Now what do I do? You push the button. I said you push the button and it pops down. We'll try that again. It's closed. Well, what that means is if that does it to you too, I need to wash this thing. Gosh, it's only been not washed in 30 some flipping years, but there's a little tab up here. You can kind of feel it with your fingers. It's kind of cut out of there. You can kind of just adjust that and play with that. Let's see now. That's good. There, that's the ticket. So you're like, well, Brian, what if I want to lock this thing and keep it safe? Well, luckily, it comes with some keys. And since this is an early car, it has one of them nice, cool little old-fashioned keys. And you just simply stick it in there, and you turn it, and pull it out. Now, ain't nobody gonna get in there. So if you got money, guns, weed, whatever you need to put in there, registration, you insert the link here. You can do that, and then it's locked up. But now I don't want it that way, so key goes in, turn it that way. And there. Now I got my drink holders back. Hippie, woohoo! All right. Shit. What's next? Oh, let's do the ignition. Let's get that done. Now, this here, from what I know, understand, is the original key to this car. And as you can see, it sometimes can be a little finicky to get in there to start it. See? So I want to change that out, and because it's just, see, it just, ugh. So I went and picked up a new lock tumbler with the old style octagon keys to replace it with. Now it looks much different than the one that's in there, but let me show you how to take this out. You can see there's a little hole right there. That's where we're going to take our handy dandy paper clip and we're going to stick it in there. But here's how you do this. You're going to turn it all the way over here to accessory. So go that way, all the way over. You're going to stick your paper clip in that hole. Get in there. And you're going to feel it push. You can feel it give. So what I'm going to do is with two hands here, I'm going to push in and I'm going to turn this that way down, and that whole thing is going to slide back out. And then that whole thing just slides right on and out. So let's go get our new one and let's install it. Here's our new one. Make sure you see that little hole right there. Where is it at? Got to find the hole. There it is. So same principle. Just stick it in until it kind of bottoms out. See how that's bottom out in there? And then turn it. And then see, now it's in. Now take it, put it in. Easy as that. And these are one of those cool old style GM keys. And it also goes to the doors. We bought new door locks too as well. We'll put those in another date. But this here, just kind of give you an idea. There it is. And I might put a little grease on that just to kind of get it to lube it up to go in and out of there. So sweet, we got the glove box done, we got the trunk done, we got the ignition done. I'm pretty happy about everything that we got going on here. And just like that. And then back to accessories if we need it. And sweet, all right, coolness. That is cool. I love the fact now that I have the cool octagon key for my ignition and my doors, and the classic pear head shaped key for the glove box in the trunk. This is cool. I'm digging this. So if you guys are in need of a lock change or you're missing some locks, kind of like I am, well, this is the way to go. And you can find lock kits for your Firebird first gen at most of your parts places, you know, Ames, Firebird Central, and a few of the other places you can find those. And kind of inexpensive, and as you can see, really easy to install. So I'm going to go enjoy a nice drive in the old Firebird here. So until next Friday, be good and stay safe and enjoy that Firebird of yours. Let's go.